Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 5, Day 5. Listen as I say a group of sounds, then blend the sounds to form a word. Ch, at, chat, hw, when, ch, punch, k, ch, catch, g, graph, wh, whip. Okay, now this time, instead of blending them and making a word, we're going to break apart a word into the sounds. Chill, ch, ol, 3 sounds. Graph, g, f, 4 sounds. Patch, p, ch, 3 sounds. Pinch, p, ch, 4 sounds. Fetch, ch, 3 sounds. Which, itch, 3 sounds. Itch, 2 sounds. Chest, ch, 4 sounds. When, 3 sounds. Inch, 3 sounds. So you'll notice with chest, we had ch, which is a digraph, and then but we also had a blend. And when we have a blend, remember we have to break it apart. St, st. Okay, so this is review, so we're going to be going pretty quickly today. 3, 2, 1, whiff. 3, 2, 1, rich. 3, 2, 1, much. 3, 2, 1, branch. 3, 2, 1, ship. 3, 2, 1, chimp. 3, 2, 1, think. 3, 2, 1, which, like which one. 3, 2, 1, thing. Okay, so these are also words they want you to know. 3, 2, 1, chop. 3, 2, 1, rich. 3, 2, 1, itch. 3, 2, 1, when. 3, 2, 1, graph. And then, so chop becomes chops, but do you see the CH? So rich becomes riches. Itch has TCH, so it becomes itches. When does not have an X, S, double S, CH, TH, or SH. So it's just, we wouldn't even say whens, but, so we don't need that one. Graph becomes graphs. Okay, so let's have you make this sound. A word. 3, 2, 1, whiz. Change the Z to P. Whip. Change the W to Ch. Chip. Change the Ch to H. Hip. Change the H to S. Sip. Change the S to Sn. Snip. Change the P to Ch. Snitch. Change the I to A. Snatch. Change the Sn to H. Hatch. Change the Ch to T. Hat. Change the H to Ch. Chat. Change the at to in. Chin. Change the ch to p. Pin. Change the add a ch here at the end. Pinch. Change the I to a. Punch. Change the p to ul. Lunch. Change the ul to crunch. Okay, nice job, friends. Okay, we're doing more words that we hopefully know by now because this is the last day we're doing digraphs. 3, 2, 1, chat. 3, 2, 1, such. 3, 2, 1, benches. 3, 2, 1, patches. 3, 2, 1, lunch. 3, 2, 1, which. 3, 2, 1, cat. 3, 2, I think they meant for that to be catch. So let's do that again. 3, 2, 1, catch. 3, 2, 1, bunches. 3, 2, 1, wishes. 3, 2, 1, check. 3, 2, 1, when. 3, 2, 1, catch. 3, 2, 1, lunches. 3, 2, 1, dishes. 3, 2, 1, pitch. 3, 2, 1, graph. 3, 2, 1, whiz. 3, 2, 1, inches. 3, 2, 1, sketches. 3, oh, sorry guys. Let me fix that. I don't know why it did that. Let me, it took me to the very beginning. 1 second. Let me fix, there we go. Now let me move my cursor so that you can see it too. Hold on 1 second. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, catch. 3, 2, 1, rich. 3, 2, 1, whip. Okay, here are our sight words 5 times. Around, around, round, round, round. The top spins around. By, 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 by. I sat by Chad at lunch. Many, 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 many. Many kids like to run. Place, 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 place. This is a good place to sit. Walk, 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 walk. Walk with me. Okay, here is our story for today, okay? Maps and graphs. Okay, let's look at some words. We'll see. 3, 2, 1, you. 3, 2, 1, want. 3, 2, 1, be. 3, 2, 1, look. 3, 2, 1, mini. 3, 2, 1, around. 3, 2, 1, good. 3, 2, 1, day. 3, 2, 1, walk. 3, 2, 1, are. Okay, friends. So, we'll take turns reading pages. You can go first. So, maps and graphs. Okay, you get to go first on this one. Together? Ready? Begin. If you want to be a map and graph whiz, you can. It is a fun thing to be. That means really good at math. Okay, now this time we'll do this one together. Here we go. Ready? Begin. You can look at mini maps. This map has an X. It can tell you the spot to stop. Okay, like X marks the spot for treasure. Okay, this is your turn. Okay, together, ready, begin. Phil is a graph whiz. This graph can tell Phil a lot. It can tell which has a big stack. Can you tap that stack? So he's tapping, I don't know if it's white. We'll just keep going. Okay, this time we're going to read this one together. Ready? Here we go. This map can tell a lot. It can tell when the wind will whip around. It can tell if it is a good day to walk. So it's showing you the weather. And this is where we live in Utah. Okay? Your turn. Ready? Begin. You can plan a map and graph. If you plan them, tell a pal. Maps and graphs are a blast. Okay, so really fun. Okay, so once again, we're talking about ES. When we have an S, double S, X, CH, TCH, or SH, we have to add ES. Okay, so lunch becomes lunches. Patch, TCH, becomes patches. Crutch, do you see TCH? Becomes crutches. Box, do you see the X? Becomes boxes. Dish, do you see SH? I do too. Becomes dishes. And last one, kiss, do you see double S? Yes, becomes kisses. Okay, so we're going to practice our closed syllables, so let's clap basket. Basket. Okay, break it apart. Consonant, vowel, yes. Consonant, vowel, yes. Closed syllables. Basket. Short sounds. Finish. Finish. Okay, break it apart. Consonant vowel, yes. Consonants vowel, yes. Closed syllables, short vowels. Fin, ish. Helping, helping. Consonants vowel, yes. Consonants vowel, yes. Closed syllable, helping. Fishing, fishing. Consonants vowel, closed syllable, consonants vowel, closed syllable, fishing. Jumping, jumping. Okay? Consonants vowel, closed syllable, consonants vowel, closed syllable, jumping. So remember, when we have a closed syllable, a consonant and a vowel, the vowel sound makes the short sound, generally. A, I, Okay? Okay, so we're talking about, we're talking about plural nouns, and we're looking for irregular plural nouns. This means the whole word changes. So it's not like bag to bags, where I add an S. It changes. So let's find these. The children have fun playing chess with the men. Okay? So first of all, a plural noun is a person, place, or thing. So who, do we have a person? We do, but it's not like a named person. So who are we talking about? Children and men. Man becomes men. See how that changed the whole word? Child, child becomes children. Okay? Okay, let's look at this one. Mice have 4 small feet. Okay, a noun is a person, place, or thing. Do we have a person? No. Do we have a place? No. Do we have a thing? Yes, we actually have 2 things. Mice and feet. Now, mice, if I have one of them, I have a mouse. And this is very different because sometimes people want to say mouses. It's not mouses, it's mice. Mice. Foot changes all the way to feet. I wouldn't say I have foots. I have feet. Okay? And then our last one I kind of wanted to talk about is a few animals. So I see 1 deer. I see many deer. Doesn't change. Ox becomes oxen. Let me erase that so I have a little bit more room to talk to you. And last of all, goose becomes geese. It is not gooses, it's geese. Okay, let's look at this. How do I know if a word is a plural noun? To blank, use a map. Okay, so we could say 2 boys. Okay, is this a plural noun? Yes, because we have boy and we added an S. So it's not just 1 boy, it's boys. Okay, I see 3 blank playing at school. So we could say boys. I see 2 boys. Or you could say I see 2 girls. But if we're making an irregular plural noun, we would say, you wouldn't say I see 3 childs, you say I see 3 children. Children is my irregular plural noun. So they're a person, they're people, not a person, they're people. But they're more than one. So child becomes children. And instead of boys, I could have said 2 children. Use a map. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Bye everyone, I'll see you later.